This Excel template includes a project KPIs report and a project schedule report. The project KPIs report shows key metrics for project's progress tracking. Percentage of spent budget, the remaining budget, number of remaining tasks, and remaining duration. Remaining tasks of current projects, deadlines, remaining duration, and task status. Completion rate of current projects. Task status of current projects. Assignee workload progress versus plan and remaining work. Monthly expense running total, budget, and possible overspending. Project's total expense and amounts by type of expense. 18 days are left to complete the software development project. Its overall completion rate is 65%. All marketing campaigns tasks are on time. Employee 1 has completed 40% of his tasks. He has 16 days of work remaining on the various projects. Comparing the actual time and the planned time, we can see that Employee 2 was overworked compared to Employee 1. The company has spent 70% of the project's budget by the end of June 2025. The budget for the heavy civil construction project was underestimated, with expenses exceeding the budget by $39,000, while the project is 50% complete. Total expenses amount to $1,277,000. 25% was for the acquisition of equipment. The project schedule report shows 4-week project timeline. It allows you to track the planning and scheduling of project, from start to end, project's progress, task status, remaining duration, and tasks assignee. This is the current date column, and these are weekends and holidays. Here is the team building project progress status. Task 1 started on April 8th, and finished on time by April 9th. Task 2 started ahead, and did not exceed the deadlines. Task 3 started a day late. Task 4 missed the deadline by 1 day. Team building project and all its tasks are completed. The software development project progress status shows that Task 1 finished on time. There are 10 days left to complete Task 2, it is late. Task 3 completion rate is 92%, is almost finished. Task 4 and 5 started and are on time. Task 5 is upcoming, it is scheduled to start on May 7th. 18 days are left to complete the project, its overall completion rate is 65%. Use the Plan Start Week slicer to show upcoming tasks or projects. Or use the combination Not Started and On Time. Using this template is quite easy. Define your settings. Create the project's plan, what needs to be done, when, and by whom. Regularly update progress and project's expense.